Hey everybody, Acre of Love Homestead here. My name is Kimberly and welcome back. So I need to work on the composting bin. It's got a lot of stuff down in there that's not really breaking down right now. Throw that over there. But it's got gnats. I do need to get it over into maybe the beds, or what I need to do is I need to bring it and I need a new box is what I need. I need to clean out this whole area and just put me like 3 or 4 boxes right here. I may do that another day. I'm gonna be off next week for Christmas, and I may just do that because it's supposed to be nice that day too. So, but this right here, I need to really figure out what it is I wanna do here. I'm trying to get y'all far enough back where you can. There we go. I'm not sitting on a hill. But yeah, we need to. There we go. Maybe. But I need to start getting all my gardening stuff ready. Now I really like this bucket. I bought it off of Facebook Marketplace, and it's just a trash can that's got a bunch of holes in it for air, I guess, and ventilation. And I've been coming over here and watering it, but I haven't done that lately. It's probably why that stuff in there ain't breaking down too much, which that's okay. I do have some worms down in there somewhere. And typically I take this and I roll it around on the ground just to kind of get it, kind of moving around and getting stuff moving. One time I was doing that and that lid popped off. So I need to hold the lid. And it's got ants on it right now. Oh, that lid trying to come off. So that kind of maneuvers it around a little bit down in there. Yeah, for sure. I'm hoping to I don't want to buy, hopefully get some more worms, and I'll stick some more worms down there. I need to start wetting it again. And then I need to, Rocky, get over here on this side of the fence. I need to just get rid of this one right here. I need to build me some new ones. So that might be a project I'm going to do, like I say, on Christmas week. So we might have a couple videos to look forward to then. But most definitely, got to start working on this and getting our stuff ready for the springtime. But I like that little. You just get you a trash can from Tractor Supply or somewhere like that, and drew you some hose in it, and you got you an automatic compost bin. I kind of like it. I like it that you can just come out here and just dump your stuff. Put the lid back on so nothing can get in it or knock it over. I like these things. This thing needs help. Needs lots of help.